quick follow up, the new stat's in. It's filled with water for now, but I am going to put in proper coolant. I'm just waiting for it to land, but I can test it like this and then drain it back out. About 5 pumps. Temperature now, see what it does. Stat's open, radiator's nice and hot, that's good. I'm going to get this engine warm, change the oil. When the coolant comes, I'll drop this water and put proper coolant in, and then, well, that'll be it for this year, I think then. So it doesn't go out in the winter, because try not to send it out in the rain, to be honest. You know what these old Fords are like. Yeah, good news. Might as well change oil while I'm here. It smells petrol-y. Is that a salt float, I'm guessing? Put some oil in it now. Valvoline VR1 20W50 is what I normally use. Fresh 2050 in it. Okay, and then we'll drop the water and fit the coolant. Fill the coolant, I should say. Fit it. Nice. Just put a new fan switch in as well. I've left the bypass in too, so I can run the fan manually if I want. So I want to see if now it should be 80 degrees Celsius it'll come on. So we'll see. Fan switch is working by the looks of it. It's good news. Quite a low temperature, but then it's probably for the best for this car. We'll go for a drive, see if it knocks off. That's the temperature it always used to sit at, around there. I think next on the list is probably an alternator. It's barely charging. I have put all the lights on. But even at 3000 RPM, so you can see the batteries down there. When driving, a lot of the time that light's just dimly on. Let's turn them lights off. Yeah, 13.2 with no lights on. I'd like to see 14 really. I'll have to see. Quick update again. That 80 degree one I fitted, obviously no good. Didn't realise when I bought it. Got a 93 in there now. So I'm just running the engine to make sure the fan works again. Fan's on. So we'll have to make sure it goes off now. Make sure it's control of the temperature. Oh, that's happening. fan come on this, it'd stay on.